Did you know you can unlock your phone without a password, PIN or pattern? If you ever forget your phone's password or pattern, this simple setting can help you. This Android feature is called Extend Unlock. Inside it, you will find the Trusted Places option. Extend Unlock or Trusted Places is an Android security feature that keeps your phone unlocked when you are in a safe location like your home or office and automatically locks it when you leave. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock your Android phone without using a password, PIN or pattern. So let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Then in the search bar, here you type Trusted. Now you will see Trusted Device with Extend Unlock underneath. This is the feature we need. Just tap on it. Then tap on Got it to continue. Now here you will find Trusted Places. Just tap on it. After that, just turn on the setting. Use Trusted Places for Extend Unlock. Then tap on Trusted Places to set up a location. After that, tap on Add Trusted Place. Then tap on Choose on Map. Here, select a place like your home or office. Keep in mind, this is only unlock your phone when you are at this location. After selecting the location, tap on Confirm. Then tap on Add. Now your location has been added to Trusted Places. Now whenever your phone is locked and you enter your trusted location, the lock will be removed and you can unlock your phone without a password or pattern easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.